11 phrases to get band 9 in IELTS speaking exam. To encapsulate my argument. Example. To encapsulate my argument, investing in early childhood education is an investment in the future prosperity of our society, in light of the evidence. Example. In light of the evidence, it is clear that implementing sustainable practices is crucial for preserving our environment. To delve deeper into the matter. Example. To delve deeper into the matter, let's examine the socioeconomic factors that contribute to inequality in our society. It goes without saying that. Example. It goes without saying that access to quality healthcare should be a fundamental right for every individual. It stands to reason that. Example. It stands to reason that if we invest in education, we will see long-term benefits for society as a whole. To put it succinctly. Example. To put it succinctly, effective communication is key to successful collaboration in any organization. It's a common misconception that. Example. It's a common misconception that introverts are not suited for leadership roles, but research has shown otherwise. Culturally aware. Example. As a global company, we strive to be culturally aware, respecting and embracing the diverse perspectives and traditions of our employees and customers around the world. Nuanced. She provided a nuanced analysis of the issue, considering both historical context and modern perspectives. Prerequisite. Example. Understanding basic grammar rules is a prerequisite for achieving fluency in any language. Ubiquitous. Smartphones have become ubiquitous in modern society, with people of all ages relying on them for communication, entertainment, and productivity.